chef hit, guys. Yeah. Hey, tell them when they step, better step right. Step up in my kitchen with them chef guys. Cooking, I come out from my left, right. I got season and I do it just right. When I'm stepping in, they think I'm blessing the kitchen. I got my grandma and my apron, I'm the chef in the kitchen. I think they really should be happy cause I'm blessing the kitchen. This roll of dicing with you, I send it to chef in the kitchen. Chef it dice, yeah, you my right. Hey. Chef it dice, yeah, you my right. Chef it dice, yeah, you my right. Chef it dice, yeah, you my right. Chef it dice, yeah, you right. Chef it dice, yeah, you right. Like, share, subscribe.
Yes, sir. Welcome to your boy channel. About to make it happen again. It's Good Kitchen. So we have our spaghetti noodles, our Italian sausage, 2 bell peppers, red, green, 10% lean, ground beef, PREGO sauce, red goes, diced tomatoes. We're about to make a nice, delicious spaghetti. So stay tuned and let's see how it turn out. Alright, so we'll go ahead and grab our ground beef. Boom. Alright, so we have our Italian style sausage. Hot. So we're mixing everything together like this. Alright. I have my little, I don't know where it's at. We're gonna have to break up the ground beef like this here. Separate it as much as you can. I have a little thing where you just twist, and it's separated, but for some reason I don't know where it's at right now. We're not gonna season it until we get that fat, drain that fat up out of there. Okay, that's working just fine. Okay, we come together. We're gonna add our bell peppers. We'll mix them bell peppers in. Alright, so we came together. Now we'll get some of that, we'll get whatever fat we get out of there. So we're gonna take a napkin and go just like this. And we'll give it a little tip. That's how we'll get that fat up out of there. Got it up out of there. Just use some napkins. That's all you need. Okay, so this is one of the easiest meals. Spaghetti, easy, simple. I'm waiting for our noodles to start boiling. I wait till my water start boiling, then I put my noodles in. So I haven't put the noodles in yet. Just waiting for the water to start boiling. Alright, so now we'll give it a nice little seasoning. 0 salt, roasted garlic bouillon, tablespoon, and a half, dash seasoning, two tablespoons of dash seasoning, garlic powder, tablespoon of that garlic powder. That's it. That's all we need. Let's go ahead and mix this in. One more season I was missing, and that's my Italian seasoning. Can't leave that out. 2 tablespoons of Italian seasoning. Alright, I'm gonna add our sauce. Mix it in. We're gonna let this cook on low with the top on. That's looking good, for real. I put 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. We're about to rinse them and add our noodles to our sauce. Some people don't add their noodles to their sauce, but I do. That's how my granny showed me. We always add our noodles to the sauce and let them come together like they're supposed to. Okay, make sure you drain your noodles and give them a nice rinse. So we'll eyeball this, see if we need all the noodles. Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and use it all. Yeah, let me go ahead and mix this in. Okay, we're looking good over here. Let me know how many of my good family out there like their noodles with the sauce on top, or the noodles with everything mixed together. I'm old school, so we mix everything together. We don't miss out on nothing. We'll add some more dash seasoning. Two tablespoons. We'll mix that in. And we'll call this a wrap. We'll get this good food on a nice plate. I hope y'all enjoy this video. If y'all enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget, leave it in the comment section if you like the noodles with the sauce on top or everything mixed together. If there's anything that y'all want me to cook, you can also leave that in the comment section. I'll make it happen. If there's a video that you want to see on my channel. Now it's time to put this delicious food on a nice plate. Can't tell me that don't look good. And it's good, it's fire. Real. I did that. Yes, I did. I made it happen. Okay, so here we go right here. Your boy done made it happen in this good kitchen. We have our spaghetti with the fried boneless chicken thighs. You know you gotta have that fried chicken with the spaghetti. So I had to fry some chicken off camera to give my family a nice video. So that's how we looking right here in this good kitchen. I hope y'all enjoy. Don't forget, hit that thumbs up. If y'all don't mind, share your boy video. Let's get these videos out there. And please hit them likes so YouTube can put them videos out there also. So here go our nice dinner, some spaghetti. Other than that, I had a good time filming with y'all. Don't forget, hit that bell notification. Like, comment, and share. Y'all have a good night. God bless. Hit dice.